want to see how to solve this maximum product of splitted binary tree problem. So here we are given a tree, and then we need to break one of the edges in the tree, which will split the tree into two. So basically what we can do is basically think of it as breaking the linkage of a node with its parent, right? So for example, here if you put a cut for node 2 with its parent, then basically you are left with these two subtrees. Then you just need to find out the sum of this subtree and this subtree, right? And then multiply that, and then make it just the maximum, right? So how to solve this problem? First thing is, like, initially we can just calculate the sum of all of the nodes, for example here, and then we just need to iterate over each of the node, and then basically calculate the sum of its subtree. For example, when we are at node 2, then the sum of this subtree is 5 to 7 and 4 11. And then basically we already can if you already have the total sum, we'll just know the sum of the rest of the tree, right? So which will be total minus sum of this subtree, and then we just need to maximize this. So here is the code. First we calculate the sum using the DFS, right? So basically for every root, every node, calculate so this is the value of the node, and then we go to left, and then we go to right, and then just sum it up, right? And then we again do the DFS, and then we calculate the maximum value that we can reach by multiplying like whatever value we are getting from there. So this is the kind of, we can either at this node the maximum could come from this subtree, or maybe at this node itself. So at this node we have this is the sum, right? And then this is the value of the multiplication of these two sums here, and then we just want maximum of all of these three, right? So that's about it. So the time complexity will be whatever it takes to do the DFS, which is order of n.